Got another air rifle by Hatsan. I got it from Amazon and I have a little bit of a bad news from it. I bought it as new. It's sold for $1,200 on Amazon. eBay it cost around the same for new. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I just opened it recently and I can't believe what I saw. It's highly used, whole scratched up. So I'm honestly never gonna buy any airsoft rifle or a pellet gun from Amazon ever again, because I went to return policy and it's not returnable. So Amazon is running a scam over here. Let me show it to you how horrible it is. First of all, the brand is amazing. Hatsan pellet rifle are a really good brand, but I will be only buying them from their original website or maybe eBay. Okay, you will need 3000 psi compressor, which I didn't know about the PCP guns. It's a little bit annoying. You'll need expensive compressor, that's for sure. Hopefully it's not completely broken. Okay, we're going. Right now it's 0, but it takes a little bit before it starts moving. Okay, it's moving. Okay, it's pumping it up. And it's moving right here too. Okay, it's at like 210, 220. We're gonna turn it off and release this. Oh wow, look at that. The air coming out over here. Yeah, this is very powerful. Ammo comparison: 22, 30 caliber, and there you go, 50 caliber. Boom. Yeah, pellet gun, look at that. Looks like a 357 or bigger. Insane. Yeah, that will be really cool to see in slow motion. Okay, now we load it up. Check this out. This giant bullet right here. Look at that. You just drop it in here like a cannon. Check it. And then let's push it in. Beautiful. I have a plate over there. Let's see if it actually shoots. Safety down here next to the target. Wow! Ah! That is so loud. It definitely shot. Whoo! Definitely needs safety. I had no idea. It wasn't like a gun, but it's definitely way louder than 22. I know it's like one of those medium loud gun, but that's insane. Definitely put some safety on. Okay, I totally missed the shot. I don't know, did I come up short or no? Maybe so. But you know what I will do? I'll put this behind so that way we can see where we missed. Much bigger target, so it's gonna look good. How much PSI we lost? Not too much. It was like 210, so it doesn't have a ton of air to shoot, but probably will have enough if it was full all the way to shoot all these ones. I went out and get some ear protection. Of course it doesn't work anymore. No, it works, there you go. It just suppresses the loud bang, and so I can still hear myself a little bit. Okay, pretty good. Wow, that thing was fun. Let's try this again. It's on safety. Load it. It definitely flew the bullet away. I can't believe I missed though. Drop this giant bullet down. Wow, so cool, so much fun to reload it. Safety off. Oh yeah, definitely hit it this time. That's insane. Okay, put that to the side. I saw the grass kind of moved over here. I don't know if it's from the wind or it ricocheted a little, but whatever. It's just like shooting cannon. I'll let you see where I hit it. Did I hit it at all? Maybe I didn't. Unless it's this one right here. You know what? I'm gonna flip this around. No way I'm missing all the way. Okay, this one don't have any holes. Okay, this time we'll know for sure if we hit it or not. Okay, shot number 3. I can't believe I keep missing them all. It's definitely easy to load it. That rail, I don't know, might be a little bit in the way. Oh yeah, this time I hit it. Wow. I need some kind of sights or dot at sighting it. I almost have to look to the side, look at the actual barrel. That's crazy. Okay, and I'm shooting from quite far away. But wow, look at that. Right on the top of it. That's a big hole. That is so cool. Check this out. That's definitely a lot of fun. Let's shoot a couple more times. Okay guys, look at that bullet. 3 shots on speed. Hopefully we'll hit them. So try not to aim too hard, especially when I'm hitting down. Nice. Look at that. I kind of readjusted with that rifle without any kind of... Whoa! It got stuck. No, it didn't get stuck, but it definitely had some kind of weird, I don't know, shot with it. It kickback also was weird too, but I see the heat too. And this time it's not shooting. It lost all the air, can you believe it? So, this thing, definitely defective. Yep. It lost all the rest of the air, and this is why we're gonna take it back. And I mail Amazon, and they actually helped me out to get my money back. So don't worry guys, it still works, but as you can see, it's super defective, and I'm glad Amazon actually helped me out to get my money back. And we're gonna send it back, and hopefully I can find another one, because I would have got a replacement, but they sold out. Oh well. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Yep, that last shot did work. That was first, the second, the third one. Look at that accuracy, next to each other without any kind of sights, shooting them pretty close. So I like that rifle. It's accurate. It just needs really good sights on, and I don't know, probably a way better one, not so damaged up. Somebody didn't take care of it. But yeah, love this steel plate. Didn't even get a dent, just the paint. All I have to do is put it up and done. So yeah, definitely a super damaged rifle. So hopefully I can get better one, because I still have a lot of ammo, and that was actually a lot of fun. Hopefully I can get one non-defective one and not so used one, and we'll film it in slow motion in the future, because this was actually very awesome. We'll love to do more videos with it once I get a new one. Got it here, Beretta Cx4 Storm. I think this is a semi-auto pellet gun. I never had a semi-auto pellet gun before. Whoa, look at that. Let me flip it over for you. Kind of looks better this way, doesn't it? So, very unique. What we have here, is this Allen wrench with some kind of pin in here? Okay. Something missing in here, but boom. Okay, safety. No, that's a magazine. There is a safety, there is a charge, there is a magazine. So just push it and pull the magazine out. Wow, cool. And I think this is a 22 caliber. Very unique. Okay, let's load up the magazine and see what this thing is all about. I love that it came with a case where it's soft padding. I can put it on the case and not worry about it. I wonder if this side here is to charge the magazine to help it out. I'm pretty sure. And you can just spin it to go to the next one. There's so many of them. Okay, this is 177, not 22. Still cool. So maybe buy yourself a few magazines, because it's a bit tedious to load them up, but it's gonna be fun. Also, I think it's a bit easier to put them in and then push them through with a stick. Oops. Okay, CO2 tank is gonna go in the back over here, and this is the CO2 tank, the bigger ones. So just put it in, see what happens. Okay, make it pretty tight. Okay, which way? This way. Lock it in, nice. And it's time to shoot. Looks like we have regular sights over here, and you could put a scope on as well. I got a couple steel targets over here, so you guys hopefully can see the BBs hitting. Also, when you hold the magazine, hold it down so the BBs don't fall out. Okay, and let's put it in. Okay, not bad. Safety still on, charge it. Safety off. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, and we out. With the steel target, it actually helps. And we're gonna come up closer and look at it. All empty. I'm gonna clear it. Yep, it's definitely empty. But yeah, I was aiming way below down here. Looks like it went a little bit higher to the left. And it's a nice little group, so you could adjust it, put a scope on. Could shoot probably all of them in the middle once you practice. But yeah, steel target, pretty beautiful. You can actually hear it hitting it, and I knew it was empty because I stopped hearing the shots on the steel. That one was way off, probably was the last one, but still pretty awesome. Okay, reload time, and let's do a different view. Okay, again, whenever you reload it and load it, I kind of holding it up so you can see it. Point it down so that way BBs doesn't fall out. Okay. Safety off, let's go. Almost finger getting tired. This is very heavy trigger, that's for sure. But yeah, a lot of fun. Look at that smoke coming out, or whatever, vapor. So yeah, put on safety. You can tell when it's out. There's magazine, check that's completely out. You know how to deal with these things. Yeah, really fun. So let me know in comments below, what do you think about this Beretta pellet gun. Definitely a lot of fun. So yeah, let's look at the target. Same way, was aiming in the same spot, and look at it, it's all went to the left up. I had a little bit higher hits because I was just kind of start going up because I was getting tired. But yeah, it's pretty good group. Put a scope on, even better than the sights. You can definitely move it, all that group over here. Very nice. I love that thing. It was a lot of fun. Got a couple steel targets, and I'm regretting not getting them a long time ago. This one needs to go in the ground a little bit deeper, but I feel like this one is way better.